Hey guys, Becca Switzer with Roof Sales Mastery. And I had literally just made a video, but I've already made it. It's uploading right now about what most contractors are leaving behind if they're in the class of people who's just really not supplementing at all, or only supplementing a couple claims here and there, or when they do, they're supplementing for the same 4 or 5 items, right? The drip edge, the ice and water shield, the O&P, the flashings, mismeasurements, whatever. And I'm chatting with this guy right now on my Facebook page because he's very frustrated. He's a salesperson, and the company that he works for is like not interested in learning the supplement stuff. And he's like, what's a number I can give them to tell them like an accurate number of what they're missing? And I did a little bit of math in the other video, if you've watched that one, where I said, look, take the number of claims that you're doing right now. And if this is you, please do this. If you're a company that does, if you're a salesperson that does 100 claims, let's make it really easy. 100 claims, and you're leaving behind an average of $2,500 per claim, which that's a very conservative number. Okay, $2,500, you can bank on it. That's $250,000 per year that you're just it's there. It's just right there. It's in the claims you already have, but you're not capturing it. Okay, that's how much, and that's if you're just, that's like the smallest average is $2,500 per claim. Most people are probably averaging more like $4,000, $4,500. So take that times 100 claims. You're talking about $450,000 per year in profit just from supplementing. So that's not the point about this video. So this guy says, he said, we have an office guy who talks to the insurance companies over the phone, but they basically just go off whatever the insurance company pays from the get-go. And he said, I explained Xactimate was key to be in our hand, and there's a type there, so we could double our check and not leave any money on the table. They shrugged and said it would take hours to rework every claim just to check. And I was like, what? Wrong. This is a gross overestimation of the time it would take to learn how to supplement and to supplement the claims. Here's what you can expect. A typical claim, 45 minutes to an hour maximum is what you're going to be doing, building the estimate, sending it off to the adjuster, and then maybe doing the back and forth with the adjuster to get them to say yes. If you're going to make $2,500 to $4,500 for 1 hour of work, is that not enough? If you wanted to double the profit of your job the old-fashioned way, that means that you need to go back out on the street, knock more doors, get an appointment lined up, hope that there's damage, do the sales presentation, hope that they sign, wait for the adjuster meeting, hope that it gets approved, wait for the paperwork, get the paperwork sorted out, get the job ordered, get it built, collect it, wait for the mortgage checks, and then you're going to get that check. That takes 4 to 6 weeks. What are you doing? When you could take 45 minutes to 60 minutes to sit on your computer in the comfort of your sweatpants and make that money from the claims you already have. I have so many videos on supplements out there. I don't want to beat a dead horse, but this is such an important topic because this is where you make the profit. So if you are tired of leaving money behind and you're tired of just kind of turning a blind eye because you're uncomfortable and you don't want to notice how much you're missing, and it's time for you to capture those dollars that are already sitting in your pipeline, that are already rightfully yours, that should be included in the claim from the get-go, please visit roofsalesmastery.com and click on Supplement Guide. I have the Advanced Sales and Supplement Training Program and the Xactimate Mastery courses, and those together, you would, in a matter of a week, you'd be up and running on your training wheels, still sending off supplements before mastering anything truly. And then from there, it's really just honing your craft and really getting it dialed. So please don't let that, don't hesitate, and don't let that stop you, and don't let the feeling of, oh no, I have to learn something new, stop you, because it literally, I have made it so easy in these courses. You just sit there and you follow it step by step. It's not hard. I have a list of the items that you'll add, what you're going to say, what you write in the email, when you send it off, and then how you handle the objections back and forth. It's really not that hard. That investment of time, the small investment of money into the courses is going to pay you back on 100 claims, anywhere from $250,000 to $500,000 this year. So don't wait. Visit roofsalesmastery.com, and I hope to see you guys next in the program.